Hi guys, so today I want us to do a quick vocabulary run. We are looking at how to count days in TWI. So in English, when you say 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days and all those, we are looking at that set of vocabulary items in today's lesson. Coming up. Right, so before we begin, I need to say that you don't need to memorize each and every one of the vocabulary items that we are going to cover. You don't. So first, I'm going to run you through the list, and then I'm going to bring you back and show you a pattern that will help you to remember the words of the list easily without having to commit so much brain resource. Okay, so let's start, and we are starting with 1 day. So for 1 day, we have dako. Dako, 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 or dakro, 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 dakro. We move to 2 days and we have nenu, 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 nenu. All right, and for 3 days we have nansa, 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 nansa. And for 4 days we have nanai, 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 nanai. All right, and then we have 5 days being nenum, 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 nenum. For 6 days we have nansia, 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 right? And then we have 7 days being nansong, 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 nansong. And for 8 days we have na, wo, chi, 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 na, wo, chi. And one thing you find interesting about this is what we have as a week. Okay, so I know in English you have 1 week as 7 days, but for us 1 week is nawachi, which technically is 8 days. Okay, I've heard that the reason for this is we count the week from the day that you start, like the day that you say. So if I say, for example, I will go to work a week from today, the week starts from today. So the counting of the days will not start from tomorrow as you have it in English. It will start from today. So if you start from today and today is Friday, for example, then it's Friday all the way up to the next Friday, being 8 days. All right, that is what I found as the explanation to this from the little research that I did. So I hope it's true. So we have naochi being 8 days or a week. All right, so we move on to 9 days and we have nankron, 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 nankron. All right, and for the last one, 10 days, we have nedu, 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 nedu. All right, nedu. Right, so I promised you that after we are done with the list, I'm going to bring you back and show you something that will make it easier for you to remember all the vocabulary items that we've covered for today. Now, let's go back to the first one. So for the first one, we had dako being 1 day, right? Now, look at this. The da in front is from Eda. Okay, it's from Eda, and I'm sure you know Eda, right? So Eda is day. Okay, and then we have Ko. Now, when we looked at how to count in Chi from 1 to 10, if you missed it, please click on this link to go check it out. Not now. So when we looked at that lesson, I told you that back in the day, in primary school, our Chi teachers will make us learn not just the full names of the numbers, but also the endings of the names. So we will learn the full names: Bako, Mienu, Miensa, Enai, Enum, Nsia, Nson, Nwoche, Nkron, and Edu. And also the endings: Ko, Nu, Sa, Nai, Num, Sia, Son, Woche, Kron, Du. Okay, because both are very important. Now, let's come back to this. We have Dako. This Ko is from that ending for 1. Okay, so we have Bako. That Ko is what we have here. So we have Dako, 1 day. So 1 day, it's flipped, right? So in English, you have 1 day, we have day 1. So we have Da as day, and then we have Ko as 1. So day 1. All right, and then when we move down to 2 days going, we no more use the Da, because Da is just a single day, singular. Okay, so when we get to 2 days going, we now have more than a single day. So we need to use the plural form of Da, and that is Na. Right, Na, days. And then we have Nu from Mienu. So the ending of Mienu, which is 2, also stands for 2. All right, so we have Nenu, days 2. Okay, 2 days. All right, we go to the third one. We have Nansa. Okay, Nansa. So Na, days, Sa from Miensa, 3. So we have what? Days 3. All right, 3 days. We go to Nanai, all right, Nanai, Na, days, 9 from Enai, 4. Days 4, 4 days. We go to Nanum, 5 days. So we have the Na, days, and then we have Num from Enum, 5. So days 5, 5 days. All right, we go to 6 days and we have Nansia. So we have Na, days, we have Nsia, 6. Nansia, 6 days, all right, or days 6. All right, we go to Nanson. Again, we have the Na, days, we have Nson as 7. You add them and then you have Nanson, days 7, 7 days. Okay, we go to Na watching. Na watching. Okay, Na watching. So Na, days, watching from watching as 8. Days 8, 8 days. Nankron, we have Na, days, Nkron, 9. Nankron, days 9, 9 days. Okay, and finally Nadu. Okay, Nadu. So Na, days, Du from Edu as 10. Nadu, 10 days or days 10. So with this, I hope you'll be able to remember what we've covered today more easily. But of course, this depends on whether or not you know how to count in Chi, especially from 1 to 10. So if you haven't taken our lessons on counting, I suggest you immediately from here, click on the link above to go check them out. Thank you guys once again for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so before you leave. Thank you. See you next time.